I am currently using my Snowball Blue microphone, and as you guys can tell, when I speak in front of the microphone, my voice differs from my original voice. We're gonna be testing this Snowball Blue microphone, and I am so happy that I will be testing it for the first time. So this video is what we call ASMR Eating Healthy Edition. Yeah, I have different foods right here, which is kind of healthy a little bit, but I am so hungry right now and I'm so excited to eat those food. Yep, I am gonna be showing you right now what kind of foods we're gonna be eating. We're gonna test this microphone while we eat. I'm so much excited. Just give me a second, alright? Doritos in white cheddar flavor. Yeah, this is our tortilla chips. Mic test. Oh my god, I feel so itchy on my face. Do you guys hear that? So, ang isang tip lang para maging maganda ang outcome ng inyong ASMR video is dapat ikaw lang ang mag-isa sa kwarto mo. And bakit ako gumaganyan-ganyan pa? So, without any further ado, let's begin the eating session. This is so good. Sarap. Actually, ang sarap-sarap talaga. Kala nyo guys, etong Doritos na to, if you wanna be healthy, try to purchase this organic Doritos. I don't think it's organic at all, but you know, commercialized. This tastes really good. This is the best thing ever. Ever. So, ang next na ating kakainin ay walang iba, ang kakambal ng Doritos ay si Tostitos. The following foods are all organic, okay? Yes. This is not your normal tortilla chips. This one is in blue color. Kung makikita nyo, ito yung laman niya. Kita ba? Yan. Kunwari nakita nyo. Yan, nalabas ko na siya. Ito nga pala ang ating Tostitos, ang blue corn tortilla chips. Ito siya, guys. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Ang cute, diba? So, kakainin natin siya. Actually, masarap siya. Compared to Doritos, ito, yung flavor niya, lasap na lasap ang sea salt. Sino nga ba namang taong kapag nasasarapan, walang sounds, di ba? Siyempre, pag nasasarapan ka, may sounds. Hindi mo mapipigilan yung apple slices. Ang sarap. Sabi nila healthy is boring, pero wala naman nakain ko hindi boring. soup or salad. So, dahil healthy tayo ngayon, salad muna tayo, okay? Medyo may naririnig ako kasi nag-turn yung ref namin. So, ayun nga. Ito, this is from last week. Hindi ko alam kung okay pa siya. Hindi ko alam kung buhay pa ako after ko tong kainin. So, please be with me throughout this battle. I'm so sorry. Sobrang busog. Okay. So, sabi nila, ang pinaka-crisping part ay yung white part. This is the romaine heart. Lettuce. We're gonna try the white part. Kahit na ayoko to, kahit na bitter ang lasa. Let's try. Sabi ko, diba, ayoko nga. So, try rin natin ang green one. I think this one is not crispy anymore because this was from last week. Oh my god. What am I doing? Ayoko na talaga. And because hindi ko na kinaya ang mga pangyayari, inom muna tayo ng Tropicana. Ayun. Soft drinks commercial, pero juice. So ito makikita nyo ay parang sa commercial ng Pepsi. What the hell? What the hell was that? Wala lang, trip ko lang yun guys ha. Dahil wala tayong magawa sa buhay today, and I am home alone! Nagkikigil ako. Ako lang mag-isa sa bahay. Kaya nababaliw ako ng ganito. So, I'm sorry. So, we're gonna proceed now to our fourth snacks. Healthy snacks. Hashtag healthy snacks. Healthy daw pero nagchichichirya. Ay, nako. Well, ito talaga yung masasabi mong healthy. Wala tayong chopsticks, wala tayong any other, ano daw? Wala tayong, ito na naman ako eh. Hindi ko naman alam na sasabihin ko. Wala tayong ano? Ano ba? Ha? Ano? Wala tayong chopsticks. Wala tayong chopsticks. Spoon at fork. Para sa salad, spoon and fork. Yep. Chopsticks para sa salad. Yep. Hindi ko alam talaga. Pero yun, without any further daldal, kainin na natin ang salad with ginger dressing. So, ang saya ko kasi may ginger dressing. Pero hindi natin makakain ng ating ginger dressing dahil ano yun? Sisipsipin ko? Wala tayong straw, wala tayong chopsticks, wala tayong spoon and forks, ayoko na lumabas. So, kakabili lang natin. Tadaan! Open. Ooh, ginger dressing. Tastes good. But oh my god. Am I that really healthy? Test natin if this salad is crunchy. Wow. Masarap pa rin. Kahit walang ginger dressing, masarap. Ano kaya maging healthy? Close na natin. Ayoko na. Tigil na natin itong kalokohan na to. Bakit healthy edition yung ginawa ko? Mas na-feel guilty ako kasi hindi masarap ang pagkain natin. Pero may ice cream sa ref. Pwede rin naman natin kainin yun. Pero Healthy kasi ako ngayon eh. I just finally found the healthiest food in my refrigerator. And that healthiest food that I have is... Well, this is the healthiest food that I have. Hashtag fresh from the grocery. As you guys can tell, everything is healthy. Everything is organic. This one is an organic cucumber and I'm gonna eat it alone. Fresh. Very, very fresh. Babalitan na natin siya. Wait lang. Hindi ko talaga alam eh. Kung pull to open. Ano yung pull? Wait. Ipupull daw to. Kailangan pa ba tong anuhin? Oh my God. Oh my God. Do I still need to... So, ito ang magiging microphone ko. So, this is gonna be our new microphone. The cucumber microphone. Hello, mic test. This is Gruja Mercado, and I am calling to say that this cucumber is real big. Masarap siguro ito pag may mayo, no? Try natin i-dip sa ginger dressing. I think that would be a nice idea. Ito ang ginger dressing. At ito ang cucumber. Okay pa ba ang ginger dressing? Yup. I think masarap to. Everything comes to an end. We have come to our final destination. We are finally done with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on all my social media, and yeah, please make sure to hit that bell button down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.